The charity of Ancha Crochets. Today we are making this beautiful and yet easy to make crochet earrings, which you can make in less than 15 minutes, and you need only scorpions to do this. You can do it with any colors that you have and they're gonna look beautiful. So let's get into it. For the materials, you're going to need the earring hook and then the 3mm hook for crocheting, and you're also going to need a cutter or a scissor, a darning needle or a crocheting needle, and you're also gonna need holes of choice. All right, so in this case this is what I'm using, and this other pink. All right, so to begin, you're going to use the color of your choice. You're first going to make a magic circle, and this is how I make mine, and however you make yours, it's still okay. All right, so into this you're going to make a double crochet. So this is chain 2, and chain 2 counts as a stitch, right, as a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over into the magic circle, make a double crochet. So at this point, including the chain 2, you have 2 double crochets. So you're going to go ahead and make 10 more to make this 12 double crochets. All right, so go ahead and do your 12 double crochets and we'll meet at the end. Alright, I have my 12 double crochets complete, so I'm going to pull this tail and right into my chain 2 I'm going to do a slip stitch. Alright, I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. Cutting my yarn, I'll leave a tail, alright, that I'm going to use along the way. Then remove my hook. So at this point you're going to pull this tail, the middle tail, furthermore, and make a secure knot like I normally do. I'll go twice. All right, make a double knot, and you could weave in this, but for me I'm just going to cut it, but cut it carefully. All right, you are done with your first cycle. You can make 2 of this because earrings is a pair, so you're going to make another one. All right, you are done with your first circle, and your next circle you're going to grab another color that you like, and I'm using this pink. Right, you are going to make the magic circle again, and you're going to make 12 double crochets the same way as you did this one. All right, so go ahead, do this 12 double crochets and we will meet at the end. These are my 12 double crochets complete on my second round, and I'm just going to make a slip knot, a slip stitch, sorry. So after slip stitching, you're going to yarn over and do 2 half double crochets into the same spot. All right, because we are trying to increase this circle to be bigger than this one. So you're going to yarn over into the next stitch, make half double crochet, yarn over, insert the second half double crochet. All right, so since you're making increases, you're going to do half double crochet, 2 half double crochets actually on each and every stitch that you get, because we are making increases. So since your foundation round or your foundation ring was 12 double crochets, you're going to insert 2 half double crochets on each and every double crochet so that they can be 24 stitches. So go ahead and do that, and we're going to meet at the end. I have my 24 half double crochets complete into my first. I'm going to make a slip knot, sorry, slip stitch. Why do I keep on saying slip knot? My goodness. And then chain 1 and leave a long tail and cut off. All right, thereafter I go to the middle tail and secure it. double knot to secure it even further. And I cut the excess. I cut it very carefully, right? So this is our second round or second circle. All right, so into our next color, which is this light pink, you're going to repeat the very same process. You make a magic ring and do 12 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 12. My 12 double crochets complete, and then into the chain 2, a slip stitch. All right, from here, because you're going to increase this to be larger than this, all right, you are going to go ahead and chain 2 or chain 3 if you like, into the same spot, do another double crochet, yarn over into the next stitch, insert 2 double crochets, yarn over into the next 2 double crochets. So for this round you are only making double crochets because you want to increase it slightly larger than the last circle that you made. So go ahead and insert 2 double crochets on each and every stitch, and we will meet at the end. I have my 12 double crochets complete, so I'm going to go into my chain 2 and make a slip stitch. All right, chain 1 and leave a longer tail and cut. You're going to go ahead and repeat the very same step and secure this tail. Then cut off the excess. So as you can see, the circles are slightly larger from each other. This is the biggest one, the bigger one, and the small one. Right, so what you're going to do is you're going to make 2 of these, 2 of this, and 2 of this, and then you are going to overlap these into each other, this being the largest, and this would come here and this would come here. This is how you're going to overlap them. So to do that, you are going to use your tapestry needle, your darning needle, or your yarn needle, however you call it. All right, and insert it. So you're going to secure this into this the best way you can, and make sure the yarn doesn't show on the other side. Grab from this side and grab that other side. Do it as many times as you can, but as neat as possible. Alright, and when you are satisfied that you have joined this together, you can go ahead and make a knot. This is how I make mine. 1, 2, pull this a bit and pull my needle. I've made a knot. Then you cut off the excess, and this is how it would look on the other side. Alright, and then it's time to do this one. Put it here and repeat the very same thing that you did here. Alright, So far this is how circles are looking like, and if you can see, this is in the middle of everything because you're going to use this to join this to finally turn this into an earring. So if you have a smaller needle, you could use a smaller needle, but I'm just going to twist this and try to insert it into this hole just like that. Right, and when that is done, I'm going to grab my needle, insert it through, and make sure that I secure this. So I'm going to pass it through once and go back into a different space, and then wrap it around, alright, to make some sort of a knot, and pull it. Alright, this way this is secure. Then I just have to weave in this tail. Alright, do it the best way you can. This is how I do mine, and it works just fine for me. And I'll try by all means to secure it a little bit far away from the edge. My end is a bit short. Okay, then I'll make a knot. And cut off the excess, right? So this is how our cute earring looks like. So you definitely need 2 of this. You repeat the same process and make another one. And I've made mine, right? And this is how they look. To look a little bit professional, and insert them in here. Alright, and here are our beautiful earrings. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe, whatever that is needful that you have to do. Thank you very much. Until next time, bye.